The German tech fair IFA 2022 is being held in Berlin from September 2nd to 6th. This year's fair is focusing on sustainability, connectivity, and artificial intelligence, particularly for smart living. At the fair, Chinese brands are looking to further expand their overseas market shares and shift toward higher-end brand images.
I think the fair and the exhibition we're doing here is a great proof on how much we have been growing in Europe in the past year and the ambition we do have in this region, which is simply to become a leader. With 8.1% market share, and we have a very precise and ambitious plan in order to grow in the coming 5 years. If you just look at the last 5 years and just the higher brand, we have been multiplying our market share by 4.5 in 5 years here. So very strong growth here with a year-over-year growth above 25% every single year. So people like our product, they like our concept, they like basically our experiences here, and I'm sure, we'll just keep on accelerating our growth.
德国的话，我们正式做业务，应该是从，就是我们正式的，原来是有一个代理，但正式的经营是由我们自己来管理，应该是从2017年开始的。在这一次的IFA呢，我们就官方宣布了，我们请了4个著名的球星作为我们的形象代言人，这个也主要是为了提升我们的品牌形象，通过品牌形象的拉升，去提升我们的整个产品结构，逐步的向中高端去靠拢。
The fair was restricted to professional visitors in 2020 and was cancelled last year due to the COVID-19 pandemic.